A big game in class about being able to drink more paint than me. And then come on, really, look at me. Okay, go.
Well, you know what? I'm like the 3-time champ of drinking paint, alright? So let's do this.
Yes. Ha! You really think that matters? I mean, 3-time champ, so, whoa, man, you can talk about a big game. But we'll see if you can back it up. I mean, just look at me really, though. I think I drink a lot of paint. And I think you know so, too.
So, I'm gonna drink paint now. Okay, ready? Goes one. There's one. Ugh, that's so gross. That's nasty flavor. Maybe this peach cobbler pea green stuff is good. Let's try that. So gross. Ugh. Ugh. Bad taste. Okay. It matches my skin. There's 4 or 3 or 4 or 3. What is that? That is 5. Okay. No. Should I go for one more?
Nah, man, nah.
Whatever you say, man. Alright.
Okay, so far, we've got 1 round done, okay? Second round now, just you know, see who drank the most. Okay, alright, it's my turn now, I guess. Alright, let's start off. Oh, man. This is such a stupid idea. Such a stupid idea to drink paint. Alright, one more. That's all I can do. Oh man, think we're gonna get disease or something from this crud. Alright, all I could drink was 2. Alright, I drank 2. It's your turn, bro. It's your turn. See if you.
Alright, now we're gonna go on to the second round. Well, Elijah already did the second round, but now it's my turn. Let us do this. Let's get this done, bro. Here's 1. Ready? Ugh, so gross. Alright, there's 1. Tally that. Got that, Ninja?
Yeah.
Okay. So gross. Ugh.
Man, people sure are loud during our competition.
I don't know if I could do another one. I'll try it. Alright, I'm gonna go for another one. Ugh. So gross. Don't do it. Alright. Ugh. Alright. That was 3. I'm done. No. Alright, we're done with the competition.
Okay, now that me and Bo have finished the competition, it's time for me to teach you guys how to do the math to find out who actually drank more. Well, you guys probably already know who drank more because it was clearly obvious. But this is a fun way to do it mathematically. So right here, we got the scores for the 2 rounds. See, this is Elijah, my column right here of how many I drank, and this is Bo's. Now the additive law consists of the base number, which we're going to use A. So what you do is you do A, which is the base number, and you take it to that X power, which is amount that we drank for the first round, which you can clearly see, which is 3. But this is just an example, just to show you the law. And you times it by A, which is the base number, by Y, which is how many you drank for the second round. And then that equals A, you keep the base number, and you do X plus Y. This is the rule right here for additive law. The one right here. Alright, okay. So now that we have this will guide us onto actually finding out how many we drank. So let's start off with Elijah's. So for this, we're going to use the base number of 2, just to keep it simple. So 2 for X, we'll do 3 because that's how much I drank during the first round, to the third power. And you times that by 2. Remember, we keep the base, and Y will be 2 for the second round, to 2. So now that equals 2. You keep the base number. These two basically you just keep that base number, and 3 plus 2, which equals 2 to the 5th. Now that we have that, we can do it the normal way, which equals 32. And how I found that out was, it's just simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is basically 5 2s times by each other. And I got 32. You can check your work by doing another thing, which is you break these down like the way I showed you right here for 2 to the 5th power. So we're going to break this down. So you do 3 2s. So that'll be 2 times 2 times 2. And you times that, you keep that times, and you bring this one down by 2 times 2, which is equal to 8 times 4. Now 8 times 4 equals 32, which means that the math that I did up here is correct, which means that the additive law actually works. Now we're going to do Bo. Okay, so Bo drank 5 during the first round, so 2 to the 5th power times 2 to the 3rd power for the second round, which is equal to, first we gotta do this just to show our math, to the 3rd, which is equal to 2 to the 8th, which equals 256. And again, you can check your work down here by what I showed you up here, by bringing it down. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 32 times 8, which equals 256. So clearly our math is right. Now you can clearly see from using the additive law, that Bo did drink more than me. He drank a lot more if we're going to use these numbers.